A mentor, friend, colleague.
He was always very good, very kind. And everywhere I went with him, everybody knew him.
Known for many titles, but the one name he's best known as is simply Jimmy.
Every judge on Sacramento Superior Court had some story. They were influenced by something Jimmy did for them, something he may have said to them. But he sort of transcended sort of a regular judicial officer.
The Honorable James Jimmy Long served 29 years as a Sacramento Superior Court judge before retiring in 2011. A Christian Brothers High School graduate who, according to this yearbook, had a goal of being an electrician. Jimmy was drafted by the Philadelphia Phillies to play professional baseball, but he chose another path.
Jimmy wanted to serve something bigger, and he wanted to do something more. He wanted to do something for society.
That he did. After graduating from Howard Law School in 1967, he opened a firm in Oak Park, at one point handling civil rights cases. He was appointed to the Sacramento Superior Court by then Governor Brown in 1982. Jimmy was known as a no-nonsense judge in court, but as United States District Judge Troy Nunley explains, it's outside of court where Jimmy made sure you knew where you stood with him.
The first trial I ever had with Jimmy, I thought Jimmy hated me. After it was all over, years ago, Jimmy used to smoke. So Jimmy was outside smoking a cigarette, and I was walking into the building one day, and Jimmy sees me and says, "Hey, Mr. Nunley, that's my favorite DA. Come on over here."
Jimmy's godson, Michael Kraft, will remember him as a champion both for justice and his community.
There's quite a few of us got summoned to his house, and we got our marching orders to go back into the community and to tell so-and-so that I said this, that, and the other.
He'll never forget their last conversation just 2 weeks ago.
He said, "Come over, sit with me." He said, we can sit across the room with masks on.
He never made that visit. Jimmy died early Tuesday morning, leaving a void in many hearts that may never be filled. Both men now vow to do whatever it takes to keep his legacy alive. Brandy Cummings, KCRA 3 News.